Well, news coming in, the Prime Minister has begun his video conference meeting with the various chief ministers on the lockdown. There you can see the Prime Minister is wearing a mask. So are many of the chief ministers who are joining in this meeting. They're going to be giving their feedback on the lockdown, the impact it's having, the difficulties they're facing, and what is the way forward. And it is expected that perhaps after this interaction, and once the Prime Minister takes into account what all the chief ministers feel, that we will have some kind of announcement, perhaps another address to the nation or a message to the nation by the Prime Minister, in which he announces whether this 21-day lockdown will be extended. Do remember, some states have already taken that decision. Odisha was the first to decide to continue with the restrictions and lockdown till the end of the month. Punjab as well has decided to go ahead with the lockdown. So we'll have to wait and see what sort of a lockdown. Will we see it as stringent as what we're seeing now? Because remember, since the lockdown was announced, there's a lot more information available regarding the spread of coronavirus in the country, the hotspots in various parts of the country. And Maharashtra, of course, is leading with the number of coronavirus cases it has. And each of the states have been able to identify hotspots. Each city, national capital, has identified several containment areas. In fact, we have 30 containment areas currently in Delhi where we have seen the spread of coronavirus, and these areas are under a stricter lockdown containment. They're containment zones, and the effort is to ensure that there's no spread of the disease in these particular areas.